In this video, we will explore the complexities and important considerations for U.S. green card holders returning to the United States after spending an extended period abroad. Here's what we will cover in this video: the significance of the duration of your absence, what remarks from officers might imply, the necessity of proof showing ties to the U.S., how the search process usually works, understanding the impact of extended absences on citizenship, and some best practices for U.S. green card holders. If you stay outside the U.S. for more than 180 days within a year, it can trigger closer examination by CBP. It's crucial to know that any absence for more than a year might be seen as an abandonment of your green card status. The situation becomes more delicate and critical the longer you're away from the United States. Comments from a CBP officer like, "You have to be careful with a green card," are indicators to exercise caution. While these should not be interpreted as formal warnings, they signify the importance of understanding the situation and avoiding extended absences in the future. Remember, there's no official system for issuing warnings, and the outcomes rely heavily on the officer's discretion during the re-entry process. To strengthen your case for re-entry, be prepared to present substantial evidence of your ties to the U.S. This includes employment details, property ownership, and financial accounts in the U.S. An officer may inquire about your employment to determine if you're actively maintaining a U.S. presence. Keep all relevant documentation in readiness. Here's a quick quiz to test your understanding. What is a key consideration for proving ties to the U.S.? Is it A, owning a car, B, maintaining a U.S. job, or C, visiting family occasionally? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is B, maintaining a U.S. job. This shows your active presence and ties to the United States, demonstrating your commitment to U.S. residency, which is very important when re-entering the country. CBP officers have the authority to search personal belongings when you return to the U.S. Such searches are standard routine security measures and not necessarily indicative of any specific issue. It's important to cooperate and understand their significance in ensuring security. If you're planning to pursue U.S. citizenship, keep in mind that extended absences can affect your eligibility for naturalization. The time spent abroad might increase the required period of continuous residences needed for citizenship. Each individual's situation will be assessed based on the duration and specific circumstances surrounding their absences. Let's go through some best practices for green card holders. Always maintain a U.S. address, file your U.S. taxes, even if you're abroad. Keep your U.S. bank accounts active, avoid staying away from the U.S. for too long, and ensure you have documented reasons for your travel and absences. This diagram outlines the steps and considerations for green card holders returning to the U.S., starting with preparing documentation to confirm U.S. residency, going through customs, and potential further scrutiny by officers based on the duration of absence. In this section, we'll go over when it's appropriate to seek legal advice. If you've been absent for a significant amount of time, received remarks from officers about your absences, or are unsure about the adequacy of your ties to the U.S., consulting a legal expert on immigration will provide clarification and guidance. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay informed and stay inspired. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.